how to make super easy hair scrunchies. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very quick and easy hair scrunchies. So let's get started. Cut a strip of cloth 3 inches by any length that you like. This is 22 inches and this is approximately 41 inches. Now you're going to fold these in half like this and you're going to sew all down the side. Okay, I've gone ahead and sewn a seam to form a tube. And now I'm going to turn the tube right side out. So I'm going to pass the pin all the way through. Like that. Like that. Attach a safety pin to the end of your elastic. Take another safety pin and pin the elastic to the end of the tube so that it doesn't slip out while you're gathering. So now take the other end and the pin and pass it through, and we're going to pass it all the way through the tube. Like that. Hold this end in your hands firmly and pinch this carefully here. Now you can remove this pin. Take this end of the elastic and this end, overlap the 2 pieces of elastic and sew them together. Like that. Make sure your seam is on the same side and that your tube is not twisted. Fold one of the tubes down slightly and tuck the other end inside. Like that. And I've pinned it. And now I'm going to sew all the way around. All the way around. Like that. And there's your finished scrunchie. So there's the scrunchie made with a 20-inch length. And there's the larger one made with approximately 41 inches. You can make scrunchies from old t-shirts, old blouses, scarves, just about anything.